if you are a busy working parent who is working as a solopreneur or a digital coach, and if you are struggling to make your funnels work, then this video is for you, because in this video I am going to reveal top 5 funnel marketing mistakes that costing you a lot of money, time and profits as a digital coach. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I am a funnel marketing coach, and my mission with this channel is to give you the right strategies, tactics and knowledge about the sales and marketing funnels, so that together we can build the business of freedom and abundance. So let's just begin the video. Most of the time it happens that we are working really hard on our funnels, and we dedicate enough amount of time in building the funnel, in driving the traffic to the funnel and crafting our offers really well. Okay, we do all these things, but we never see the kind of results that we were expecting, and the profits are not happening, new clients are not coming, you are not able to generate enough leads sometime. So the ultimate thing is that your funnel is not working the way you was expecting that it should work. Okay, and it happens because there are few common mistakes that most of the people who are doing funnel marketing make in their funnels. And if you can avoid these 5 mistakes that I am talking about in this video, then I am pretty much sure that you will be able to skyrocket your business. You will be able to generate more leads, you will be able to sell more, and ultimately it will help you to boost your profits and make you a lot more money. Okay, so let's just talk about it. Let's just see that what are those costly mistakes that solopreneurs and digital coaches make in their funnels. Okay, so I have prepared this mind map, and I'm going to show you talk about these 5 mistakes. Okay, so let's just see the first mistake. That what is the number 1 mistake? The first mistake that the people who are doing the funnel marketing make in their funnels. Okay, so let's just see what it is. So it's not understanding their target market. Okay, this is something which happens a lot. You have started something, you know, okay, this is what I want to teach, this is what I want to talk about and sell my products. It could be a course, it could be a coaching program, it could be consulting. Okay, but the problem is that you don't know exactly who is your target market. And even if you know that who is your target market, you didn't actually gone really deep to understand the exact pain points that you can solve with your product. Okay, so it's very important that you have to figure it out that what is exactly the pain points, the challenges that you are going to solve, and what are those desires that you are going to fulfill for your target audience with your products, with your service, with your knowledge and skills as a digital coach. Okay, so it's very, very important. And if you are not doing it, there is one thing which is happening, and that is wrong messaging. Okay, so your messaging will be very, very off the charts. Okay, it is actually very wrong, and the people will not be able to resonate with you. Whatever maybe you are talking about, they may not be able to understand that whether it's for them or not. Okay, because you don't know exactly the pain points, the desires of your target market, and because of that the things that you are talking about is actually doesn't making any sense to them. Okay, so just do one thing, that if you didn't have your customer avatar ready, just make it. Okay, create a customer persona, a customer avatar, whatever maybe the name you want to call it, but the ultimate thing is that you should have one where you will write everything about your target market. Okay, the one person who who is your ideal customer, and what are their dreams, what are their desires, what are their challenges, what kind of life they have, like their average day, and their demographics, and whatever may be the information you can collect about that person. Just collect it, create that customer avatar, and you can have multiple customer avatars as well. Okay, if you are targeting different segments, just create 2, 3, or 4 maybe. Okay, but having this thing will help you to craft better messages. You the content that you will create, the social media post that you will create, the products that you will create, everything will be much better. The messaging will be much better. People will be able to resonate really well if you will just do this one thing. Okay, so this is the number one mistake, not understanding the target market. So it will lead to wrong messaging, and the solution is just create customer avatar. Okay, now let's just see the second mistake. The second mistake is complicated sales and marketing funnels. Okay, this is another very common mistake. If you have a very complicated funnel, it could be your sales funnel or marketing funnels. So let's understand a little bit about both of them. Sales funnel, if you have a very complicated sales funnels, what will happen? You will add multiple steps in your funnel. Okay, like so many upsells and downsells. When people go into your funnel, they have to go through so many steps that they feel frustrated, and because of that they actually drop off. Okay, so this is the one thing you are doing with your sales funnel. And when it comes to marketing funnel, maybe the customer journey, where basically the marketing funnel, let's just talk about a little bit about marketing funnel. So marketing funnel basically works on AIDA framework, where A is attention, I is interest, D is decision, and A is action, AIDA. Okay, so maybe you have complicated this process of AIDA, and the people are actually not moving properly from attention to interest to decision and to action. Okay, and because of that, the conversion is not happening. The people are not converting into leads and sales, paying customers. Okay, so you have to simplify the funnels. Okay, it may be whether it's your marketing funnel or sales funnel. So first, let's just see that what's happening here. Because of this thing, because of this mistake, the people are actually confused, and there is a very high churn rate. So people who are entering into your funnel, because of the complexity of this funnel, they are churning, they are just dropping off, they are skipping in between. So because of that, you are losing a lot of people, and people are confused, and this leads to the churn rate, high churn rate. Okay, so you have to understand this thing, and the best way to overcome this problem is just simplify the things. Okay, simplify the things, reduce the number of steps if you have so many number of steps in your sales funnel, and clearly define the marketing funnel, where like your customer journey, how the people are going to know about you, how they are going to get nurtured, how they are going to become your lead, and will be interested in your products and services, and how they are going to take action and become your paying customer. So what are those steps, what the journey will be look like? Simplify that journey. Okay, and if you can do that, it's going to help a lot to increase your conversions, to increase your funnel marketing, and make it more effective. Okay, now let's just understand the third mistake. So third mistake is no tracking and analytics data. So maybe this is something which is happening with a lot of people. You don't have enough data, you are not actually collecting the data. Maybe you don't have the Google Analytics tag on your website, and maybe you are not tracking the links, how many people are clicking on the links, from which sources they are coming in. Okay, so you have to track, because when you track when you track these things, when you track the sources, like where the traffic is coming, and where the people are dropping off in the journey, in the funnels, what will happen because of this data, you will be able to go at that particular step where the people are dropping, and you can make it better. You can simplify it or you can remove it, and because of that you will remove that resistance which is stopping people, and you will see that suddenly the results are coming in, the people are converting, and you are making, you started making more sales, you started making more money, right? So tracking it helps you to take the data driven decision, and this is what happening. You can't take the data driven decisions because there you don't have any data. Data will help you to take better decisions. You know exactly, okay, this thing is working and this thing is not working, and because of that you will take the right decision. So tracking is very important. If you are not doing it, just build a proper system of tracking and collecting the data. So this is the third mistake. Now let's just talk about the fourth mistake. The fourth mistake is not having consistent email nurture and follow up system. Okay, so you created the funnel, you drive the traffic to the funnel, and people are giving you their email, they are converting into leads. Now you have leads in your system, but if you are not following up with them, if you are not nurturing them with the valuable content, and you are not talking about their problems and adding value through emails, then in that case you are doing a very big mistake, because it will ultimately lead to the lack of trust and relationship building. Okay, there will be no trust and relationship building is happening here, because you are not you don't have this email nurturing and follow up system. And when there is no trust and relationship building, there is no transaction, there is no money the people will pay you. Okay, the people will not do the transaction, they will not pay you the money, right? So it's very important that you have a proper email nurture and follow up system, where you are consistently sending valuable emails to your leads, to your even your paying customers. If you have paying customers, you should have a different set of emails that is going to them, and if you have your leads which are still not your customer, you should have a different set of email sequence which will go on automation, and it will nurture them, it will build the trust with them, and it will also present your offers, your products to them. And this is how they will move on the journey from from interest stage to the decision making stage, and from decision making stage to the action stage of the marketing funnel. Okay, so this is very important, and you should do this thing. If you are not doing it, start thinking about it, and just make it possible in your funnel. Okay, and the best way is just write the long enough email sequence. Keep writing, keep adding new emails consistently to your nurturing system, and the longer you have the email sequence, the more time you have to build the connection, and this is how you will be able to build the deeper trust and relationship with your leads. Now let's just see the fifth mistake. So the fifth mistake is no A/B testing to optimize for higher conversions. I have talked about it in my last video as well, that how important it is to A/B test for higher conversions, to optimize your funnels. So A/B testing, if you are not doing A/B testing, then you will have high CPL and CPC, that is high cost per lead and cost per conversions, and low profit margins. Okay, because when you are getting the lead at higher prices, when you are getting the conversions customers at the higher prices, you are paying higher money for in ads to convert them, then the profit margins will be less, and you are making less money, you are actually losing the money. So it's very important that you keep testing, you keep doing the A/B testing and optimize it, so that you will have the so that you can reduce these factors. You have low cost per lead and low cost per conversion, and ultimately it will help you to boost the conversions and your profit margins, and ultimately the profit that you will make will be high. Okay, so these are the 5 common mistakes that most of the solopreneurs, the coaches who are on their journey, who have just started, they are making these kind of mistakes, and these are very common ones. So if you are doing all of these or any one of these mistakes, just avoid them, and you will be able to see the great results with your marketing, with your funnel marketing. So let me know in the comment section which mistake you are making in your funnels. I would love to know. And even if you want any kind of uh, uh, solution about it, let me know. I will definitely try to give you the best possible answer. And if you have any suggestion, if you have anything to add here, just let me know in the comment section. I will love to read. Okay. And also I have one newsletter, which is Build the Momentum newsletter, specifically for busy working parents who want to become digital coaches and doing it as a side hustle along with their job and family responsibilities. Okay, so if you are someone who is interested in getting these newsletter every week, just sign up. I have given the link in the description in the first comment, and also it's flashing on the screen. So just go to this link, sign up for my weekly newsletter. It's value packed, and and you will get the strategies directly to your inbox. Also, I have tons of videos on my channel about funnel marketing, about digital coaching and consulting business. Just go and watch them. You are watching the card on the screen, so just tap it and watch that video right now. So that's all for this video. Thank you.